My name's Poppy, and today I'm going to look at the nature in the garden. Who wants to join me? But first we need to call out for Dexter to appear. We'll call his name 3 times. Okay, everyone, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Dexter, Dexter, Dexter. Well done, everybody. It worked. This is Dexter. High five, Dexter. We're going to look at the nature in the garden. Come on, everybody. Let's go. It's a little bit chilly today, so I've had to put on my jumper whilst we go around the garden. Okay, let's go. So the first thing we're going to look at is called a horse chestnut tree. It's this really big tree up here. This tree makes horse chestnuts, which we know as conkers. I'm going to go and try and find a conker on the ground now. Come on, Dexter. Let's have a look. I found one. This is a conker. We'll take the conker with us. Let's go find the next thing. Who knows where apples come from? They come from apple trees. This is an apple tree here. If you look really closely, you can see teeny tiny apples starting to grow. Next, we have the bamboo. If we look inside, we can see the bamboo shoots. Does anyone know what animal eats bamboo? I'll give you a clue. They're black and white. It's a panda. Pandas eat bamboo. The garden's full of lovely plants, but there are some things we need to be careful of. I'll show you one thing we want to stay away from. These are called stinging nettles. And they're called that for a reason, because if you touch it, it stings you. We definitely don't want to get stung, so me and Dexter stay away from the stinging nettles. Dexter. Oh look, there's a buttercup. Shall we see if I like butter? What we have to do is pick the buttercup and hold it under my chin. And if it looks yellow, it means I like butter. Is it yellow? Yes, I do like butter. So let's look at all the things that we've seen today. So we've seen the horse chestnut tree. This is the leaf from the tree. And what grows on the horse chestnut tree? It's a conker. Next, we looked at the apple tree. These are leaves from the apple tree. The apples haven't grown yet, so we can't see the apples. Then we saw the bamboo tree. This is a huge piece of bamboo that we found. And what animal eats the bamboo? Yes, a panda. Then we found the buttercups. Now, can anyone see anything behind me? Anything that's white and yellow? There's lots of them growing here. These are called daisies. Have you ever made a daisy chain? I'll show you how to do it. So, we need to pick some daisies. So we'll pick one, and then we have to make a hole in the stalk. So just put your nail through and make a little hole like this. Then once you've got the hole, you can pick another daisy and you put it through the hole. And then look, they're attached. So you can keep doing this until you have a really long chain. Sometimes it breaks, but that's okay. You can just do it further up. Now my daisies are all linked together in a chain. We call it a daisy chain. And now what we can do is we can link it together so we make a crown. What we do is we make a hole in the last daisy. Needs to be quite a big hole this time. Like this. So that we can put the end daisy through. There we are, it's all linked together. Now we can put it on our heads and wear it as a crown. Who thinks we should make one for Dexter? Shout yes if you think we should make one for Dexter. Great, let's make one for Dexter. Dexter's got his daisy chain on now too. Doesn't he look great? He's a very trendy dog. Aren't you, Dexter? Aren't you pretty, Dexter? Dexter's got his daisy chain and I've got mine. We're matching. Aren't we, Dexter? Thanks for coming to look at the nature with us today. Join us next time. Bye!